Good morning students. Yesterday we have completed till 8th question of exercise 3.2. Today we will complete exercise 3.2 and we'll start new topic. Question number 9. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime number between them. So 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 are 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96. In between these numbers there is no prime number. Question number 10. Express each of the following numbers as the sum of 3 odd primes. Question number A. 21. 21 we have to express in sum of 3 odd numbers. So 3 plus 7 plus 11 is equal to 21. 3, 7 and 11 are odd numbers. Question number D. 61 is equal to 19 plus 29 plus 13. They are odd numbers. Question number 11. Write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Hint. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Here 3 and 7 are prime numbers less than 20 and their sum is 10 which is divisible by 5. We have to find 5 such pairs. Here answer is 2 and 3. They are prime numbers less than 20 and their sum is 5 which is divisible by 5. 7 and 13. They are prime numbers. Their sum is 20 which is divisible by 5. 3 and 17 are prime numbers less than 20 and their sum is 20 which is divisible by 5. 2 and 13 their sum is 15 which is divisible by 5. 5 plus 5 it is prime number and their sum is 10 and 10 is divisible by 5. Question number 12. Fill in the blanks. Question number A. A number which has only 2 factors is called a prime number. Question number B. A number which has more than 2 factors is called a composite number. Question number C. 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Question number D. The smallest prime number is 2. And question number E. The smallest composite number is 4. Question number F. The smallest even number is 2. Exercise 3.2 is completed. Next topic is test for divisibility of numbers. Test for divisibility of numbers. Is the number 38 divisible by 2, by 4 and by 5? Answer. By dividing 38 by these numbers, we find that 38 is divisible by 2. We know 38 divided by 2 is 19 and remainder will be 0. And 38 is not divisible by 4 and 5. When we divide 38 by 4, we will get remainder. Similarly, when we divide 38 by 5, we will get remainder because 4 and 5 are not factors of 38. If the numbers with more than 3 or 4 digits, it will be difficult to identify whether the given number is divisible by the given number. So, there are certain divisibility rules through which we can examine the number and identify whether the number is divisible by the given number without performing actual division. Divisibility rule. A divisibility rule is a way of determining whether a given number is divisible by a fixed divisor without performing the actual division and by just examining its digits. Observe multiples of 2. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, etc. And also numbers like 2410, 4356, 1358, 2972. These numbers have only the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place. In the ones place of these numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here also 0, 6, 8, 2, etc. Then these are the multiples of 2. When we divide these numbers by 2, and we will get remainder as 0 because they are the multiples of 2. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. In the previous example we have discussed the numbers with unit place 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are the digits. They are divisible by 2. So the divisibility rule of 2 is if a number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits in its units place 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Example 440. It is divisible by 2 because in its units place 0 is the digit. Divisibility rule of 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is a multiple of 3. Let us see an example. Check if 219 is divisible by 3. The divisibility rule of 3 is if the sum of its digits is a multiple of 3, then it is divisible by 3. Therefore, sum of digits of 219 is 2 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 12, and we know 12 is a multiple of 3. So, 12 is divisible by 3, thus 219 is divisible by 3. So, without dividing 219 by 3, we can say 219 is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits, that is ones and tens, is divisible by 4. So, if the numbers with more than 3 or 4 digits, we have to check the numbers, digits on the ones and tens place, and we have to check whether it is divisible by 4. Example, check if 124 is divisible by 4. By divisibility rule of 4, we have to check the last 2 digits of the given number in the ones and tens place. It is 24. If last 2 digit is divisible by 4, then it is divisible by 4. So 24 is divisible by 4. Therefore, we can say 124 is divisible by 4. Today we have completed exercise 3.2 and also discussed about divisibility rules of 2, 3 and 4. Today's homework, exercise 3.2, question number 10. Express each of the following numbers as the sum of 3 odd primes. Question number B, 31 and question number C, 53. For more detailed videos and textbook, please log in into the links of Diksha and Extra Marks.